Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we are working on a Samsung top-load washing machine. We will show you how to remove and replace our thermistor. To begin, we must first tilt the unit back to gain access underneath. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a voltmeter. Now that we have gained access to the bottom of the unit, we can now safely check and replace our thermistor. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing a thermistor is sometimes these wires break because they are rather small, and it will throw an error code on the screen anytime it tries to wash. You could be having where you're having too much hot water or too much cold water going in. So the first thing you want to do is obviously check around, make sure that there's no breaks in the wire. Next, we'll undo our strain reliever, unplug our Molex. We're going to check the ohm rating. We will want to set our meter on ohms. Now, this thermistor currently should read right around 80,000 ohms. And we're reading close to 79,000 ohms, so I am comfortable with that. To replace it, there are 2 Phillips screws that are holding it on. Simply take these out. And pull out on the thermistor gently. It does have a small seal in it, so it can be difficult sometimes to pull it out, and set it aside. When installing your thermistor, gently put it in. Now, once you get it close to the same spot, give it a little turn to seal it a little bit better. Next, reinstall your 2 Phillips screws that were holding it in. Reinstall your Molex connector and slide it into the strain reliever. Twist it around, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.